Hi, my name is Chuhan. I'm about to introduce about novelist. Why a novelist? When I took the career aptitude test, the result included many jobs. Because of the various reasons, I could not choose one job among them. Then I started to research in the internet to find the job for my project. By accident, I found the job of novelist and chose it because it seemed to be the proper to talk about. So now let's look more into what novelists do. Of course, novelists write novels. There are 4 steps to write a novel. Firstly, they must decide on the subject and find diverse materials that can explain the subject effectively. Secondly, a lot of information is needed for making a work of high quality. Especially, the materials that contain reality are needed for sharing the thoughts. Thirdly, they build a frame of story, atmosphere, characters, and environments. And then they start to write. Firstly, they publish or serialize the novel. To be novelists, even though there is no special limitation in being a novelist still needs to have a lot of knowledge for writing a novel. For example, geographic and psychological and general informations are needed to make the readers sympathize with their novels. It is important to have not only expressiveness but also originality, because the work of novelist is to imagine creative story. Also, it is more important to get patience and effort than getting innovation or analytic thoughts. After being novelist, as you know, a pay is very important for getting a job. However, the pay of novelist reduces the mind like I want to be a novelist because they only earn $500 for a month. A part-time job may be better than this job. Moreover, 65% of novelists do not earn any money for a month. It means that unless they do not gain success, they would not earn money as much as they can live with food. However, novelists' satisfaction is 80% amazingly. I cannot understand it, but I think it is because the most novelists is belonging to side job. Future of novelists. Many channels that provide fields for novelists to work are formed, but supports of publishing companies and corporations are decreasing. Therefore, it may be constant for 5 years without a big change. Biblical novelists. I couldn't find a character who is a novelist in the Bible, so there is no verse. However, I know there was a person who remained good influences for Christians as a novelist. C.S. Lewis is the one who wrote a biblical novel, The Chronicles of Narnia. Anyway, the novel is one of the most familiar media for approaching to people, so it is a useful method to preach the gospel. On the other hand, people must be careful to read a book because it is also useful to plant wrong thoughts in people's minds. I don't know that God has a plan in the job of novelist, but if one is a real Christian, he will do work for God in his job. Finish.